You got paid, and somehow a few days later you're broke again. Same salary, same routine, same frustration. But what if the problem isn't your income, but something far more dangerous? Today, we're breaking down the real reason your salary never feels enough, and how to escape the cycle. Most people believe one thing: if I just earned more, everything would be fine. But here's the truth: the more you earn, the more you spend. This is called lifestyle inflation. Every raise becomes an excuse to upgrade your life, instead of your future. You're not just spending money, you're trading your time for things that don't last. Even if your salary stays the same, your expenses don't. Inflation silently reduces your purchasing power every single year. Your brain is wired to want more. Not enough isn't a number. It's a mindset. Here's how you escape the cycle. Your salary isn't the problem. The system you follow is. Change the system, and everything changes.